Hi everyone, and welcome to Crocheting with Jill. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the second arm tab on the regular Minion on this Minion versus Evil Minion corner to corner crocheted scarf. In the first tutorial, we worked the first little arm tab. In the second tutorial, I showed you how to carry your yarns through the shoulder. Now I'm working down this diagonal number 12, which I've just completed, and I'm about to encounter the second little arm tab of this Minion. So this arm tab is a little bit different than the first arm tab for a few reasons. One being that we're coming down the diagonal instead of going up the diagonal. So as you can see here, as we are coming down the diagonal, that black is actually in line with diagonal number 14. However, if I wait until then to do the black, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. For one, the arm tab would be facing a different direction. See, these half double crochets are horizontal, whereas this arm tab has the half double crochets vertical, which makes the arm tab a little bit more rectangular, sticking out longer than it is tall, which I kind of like. If it doesn't matter to you, then it doesn't matter to you. But by doing it now, for one, the arm will be sticking out in the same direction with the half double crochets being vertical. And number two, it makes the color changes quite a bit easier because we will work all three black blocks at the same time. So I have just finished diagonal 12 and I am about to begin diagonal 13. But instead of starting with the normal block that is in line with diagonal 13, we're actually going to start with the arm tab. So we're kind of working it like that, doing the arm tab first, and then we will work our way up diagonal number 13. So the way we will do that is by first creating a full block. So we're going to chain 5 and then work 3 half double crochets into the last 3 of those chains. Now it's going to stick out just like that. And what makes this arm tab especially easy is that your hook is already in the correct place to really start the normal diagonal 13. So I just worked the arm tab, and now we're going to start the last block in black or the first block of regular diagonal 13 by just working 3 more half double crochets. You don't even need to chain 2 because we are already at the top of the block. So just work your 3 half double crochets into that chain 2 space, and then we're going to switch colors back into the Minion's clothing color. So I'm going to pull up my orange yarn here, pull the black nice and tight, and let's see, we need to work 1, 2, 3, 4 orange blocks, and then we'll continue in yellow and continue crocheting using normal corner to corner techniques for the rest of this Minion. Thanks for joining me today. The middle of the scarf is pretty easy, and then you can join us again for more tutorials on how to work the Evil Minion's hair and arm tabs.